Hi parents, today in Language Arts we spent a good part of the morning getting our folders ready, so your kids know exactly what's in their folders. They put them all together themselves with me, so their folders are ready to go in their bag. All they need to do is hand you the bag. They know everything that's supposed to be in there because we went over each item one by one. Then we went to Language Arts and we continued with our story. We went back through and searched for, we'd already identified some of the comparing and contrasting words previously, but we went back through the paragraphs and searched for more of them. Our key is in a highlighter color of some sort that shows the compare and contrast relationship between the things that we were reading about, all the animals. And you see it all highlighted in yellow on those pages. Then we read the story, the caterpillar self-defense. We identified the main idea and the key details, and so this is what their TCR should look like today. I'm going to record everything all in one today, so here comes the homework planner because I forgot to show that yesterday. So here is what it looks like for today. This is what they'll be writing down later on today. For 10-7, I haven't written the date in yet, but these are the things that they are working on in the afternoon on Monday, Tuesday, and then for today. They do need to be writing down their story that they're reading. In math today, we continued working on elapsed time. It was quite difficult for them, so we did it all together on this first page, which is page 197. This is called the Z method that I taught them today. The essential part of the Z method is that we try to get to the whole hour, the next hour, by adding minutes and then looking at the other minutes that we still needed to add in. For example, this one is 45 minutes. Well, it would take us 35 minutes to get to the next whole hour, and then I needed 10 more minutes to make 45. That put me at 7:10. And then I had to find out how many minutes were remaining to get to 7:30, and the kids were easily able to say, well, 10 plus 20 is 30, so the 20 minutes was the missing hour. Some of them they have to go backwards on, so they have to start at the end time and work their way backwards to find the beginning time. Let's see, this one, for example, they gave them the ending time and the beginning time. They had to find missing time in between. We started working on one let me show you first the back side here. So we started with Puzzle Penguin, then we worked on these two together. Again, here's what the Z method looks like on my whiteboard. So here's problem number 7, and then here's problem number 8. Number 8 was a working backwards one. So it kind of shows you how we did those two problems using the Z method again. And then I went with them over their afternoon work today. We did problem number 5 together because it's really hard and it has a lot of work that goes with it. So their homework afternoon workbook should look like this right now because we did this one together. They just had to write in the answers. So the two answers were that the ending time and how much time they spent doing the model. So they're right here. They just had to write them on the line. And we started the Z for number 1 so that they can use the Z to help them do the next few problems. And then they'll be doing the back side today as part of their homework. And that's what we did today in math and language arts.